Hey guys, Anime Atlas here, back with another video. It is a new Rightstuf unboxing, so jump right on in. Alright. I think that's it. Yep, that's it. So, that'll be short and sweet. As far as everything else goes, let's see. Oh. Alright. Another postcard here, I guess, as I call it. And that's basically it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get straight to the main category series here. I believe the one that we should most definitely pay attention to is Shakuyan no Shana. I apologize for the glare, but that's how it's going to go. These are the save editions. Alright, let me pry open the I'm not doing good today, that's not fair. That's alright. Things do tend to break. Yeah, I am not doing well. I feel guilty already. There we go. Always have a cutter on hand if your fingers don't do the work. Alrighty. Alright, that's one pair. Alright, here we are. And again, I do apologize for the glare, but that's how it's going to play out. Alright. Let's see what's next. Alright. Alright. Looks like we're going to nail it pretty easily. We all never have issues with. So let's just get the plastic off, because that's what we want. Now I do apologize for delaying some videos here and there, but I have just been very busy with work and taking care of the house and all that stuff, so really ever have time to do these videos for you guys. Alright. Oh, look at that. Funimation is opening up their eyes, I guess. Alright. So that's another one. Alright. Next up is the movie. Yeah, I know the glare is not joking around today, but what can you do? called working in the daylight. We are making as much progress as we can. All the hard work that I try to do on these things. There we go. My left hand just likes to crush stuff. Alright. Alright. So that's the movie. Oh. Here, I gotta do it like this. There we go. And one more series. This one is from Aniplex, which I recently bought not too long ago, along with Shotgun Oshana. Is Michael Magica. I think this is the third movie, if I'm not mistaken. And I do apologize. Alright, now let's cut her open, shall we? Their plastic is no joke. Aniplex likes to really protect their products. And let's see here. Alright, so our package unboxing is getting close. We are doing good. And let's see. Accomplish this. So far, I am ethically failing. God, I am sucking so hard right now. And there we go. God, that took forever. Alright. Let's grab everything out here and see what we get. Alright. Alright, so far we get here's the Aniplex Pooper Purchase. No, they are. And this appears to be the movie. DVD and Blu-ray, which I'm going to watch this once I get done here with the editing and stuff. And this one contains the soundtrack. God, I'm going to have to close the curtains or find a better position on this thing. You know what, guys? Give me just 1 second. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm going to try this one more time. So here's the soundtrack. There we go. That way it's not so blurred out. A lot of tracks. I'm gonna put all this on the computer, so I'll put it on my phone. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do it in the dark instead of having like the entire window opened up. And there's the movie again with the discs. Yeah, this works a little bit better than before. All right. So, and then we have a, let's see here, like a illustration booklet, I guess, which is kind of unique. You know, all the important goodies. And we have that. And then we have, I believe these are the postcards, which I'm not going to open right now. I'd rather keep all my stuff sealed up. But other than that, guys, that's basically it for all the stuff here. And I hope you guys really enjoy the video, and I will do more very soon. Again, I do apologize for some mishaps and all that kind of good stuff. You know, I'm trying my best to catch up on anime on Crunchyroll and stuff like that, which is it's not a long, painful process. It's just that I've been so busy with, oh crap, the book escaped. But it's just with me, man, with life, it's just been like really busy and all that stuff. The CD, I'm gonna keep this out. I'm gonna put this on the computer right now. I'm gonna watch this first actually. But anyways, that's Monica Magica and Shakugan no Shana from Rightstuf. I really hope you guys enjoy this, and I will be sure to make more very soon. Alright, so take care guys, and have a good day. Bye-bye.